In this question, they have given that a process takes 15 milliseconds for some processing. Okay, but if process data is not present in the cache, then it takes around 75 milliseconds more for copying or filling up the cache. That means the data will be copied from some other memory and it will be carried to the cache memory. So I can say when cache hit is there, then time required is only 15 milliseconds. But if cache miss is there, then the time will be 15 plus 75. 75 to copy the data and 15 is for processing. So completely 90 milliseconds. Now in the question they have given this line that this operation is needed as it is in the case 1/3 of the time. That means 1/3 of the time will be cache miss when disk operation will be needed, and 2/3 will be the time in which no any disk operation will be needed, that is cache hit time. So the average time I can calculate as 2/3 time it will take 15 milliseconds, and 1/3 time it will take around 90. So the average will be 40 milliseconds. So I can say for one request time is equal to 40 milliseconds, right? Average. Okay, so I can say that request per second will be 1/40 multiplied by 1000. This is 1000 just because it is milliseconds. So the answer I'll get is 25 per second. So for this particular question, answer will be 25.